this is slower than my 3 blind execution. I'm gonna warm up.
Nice ball execution.
3x3 was pretty good, no PRs or anything, but I still got a very solid 10, so I'm really happy with that. The next event was 2x2.
Yeah, I love the R2
Yeah.
Two by two was really awesome. Before this comp, I was actually aiming for a sub 3 single, and I'm really happy to have pulled it off. The third event of 2023 was pyramings. I don't practice pyramings seriously at all, so this event was more like an event I joined for fun rather than competitively, and I did decently well. So the second last event of the comp was 3x3 round 2, and it went pretty okay. So in the end, I got another high 10 average, and I realized that I'm actually quite consistent in my averages across all my competitions. The last event for me was Megaminx Finals, and let's just say it ended horribly. Okay, so for the first two solves, you can see a camera recording on the desk, but the solve got so bad to the point where I just stopped recording. Well, enjoy these solves. Well, that was bad. And so that brings me to the end of the NTU Welcome 2023 series. I hope you guys enjoyed this new style of editing, because I think the style of editing was more clearer than the previous one, and I hope you guys liked it. Before we end the video, let's do our traditional wrap up. Okay, so first few people I want to thank you to Binjie, Kang, and Anri for organizing the competition, and it was a very fun one as always. Thank you to Yi Chen for delegating this competition, and his wife for doing data entry the whole comp. Big congrats to Yongting, Daryl, Isaac Wong, Jia Chen, Firstian, and Tristan for breaking national records, and everyone else who broke their PRs. Huge thanks also to Ralph Pua for taking lots of photos at this competition. I found a lot of good ones of me and other people as well, and yeah, that was really cool. Oh yeah, thank you organisers for giving me this opportunity to be a staff for this competition. It was tiring but still fun, and I'm happy to have helped out. Thanks also for making a female category for this competition, which I won second place in. Alright, so that about sums it up for NTU Welcome 2023 Day 2. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Okay, that's all from me for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!